Now, layout. Instagram is an online mobile photo sharing, video sharing, and social networking service that enables you to take pictures and videos and share them. And with over 5 billion mobile phone users, this platform is growing at the fastest rate. Now, in today's market, it's really about sharing things that are happening right now. All right. So many brands are using Instagram as a marketing platform to increase their social engagement, and it's widely used by businesses wanting to promote their products and services while connecting with followers. And that's one of the nice things. Now, the images with Instagram are this square shape, as you can see, for anyone really new to this. The squaring photo format was designed to give it a vintage look. It also lets it be, quite clean in the layout and structure. It really offers video sharing options with an available video length of up to 15 seconds. Now, what you can do here is you can use the pictures to generate customers for you and increase your brand reputation. That's primarily one of the big things. So where do you start in Instagram? The first place you need to look at is your bio, all right? So your bio, you got 150 characters. It really is not a lot for you to be overly descriptive, but this is where you're going to have to really punch in on what it is that you do. So you're going to you need to answer, what do you do and how you can help them, and briefly tell people who you are. So let's take a look at mine. So the brief tell comes from the entrepreneur, all right? And then, who do I help? Speakers, authors, coaches, and consultants hire me to turn your expertise into multiple streams of online income. And then I help create your freedom lifestyle. So that in a nutshell can tell people, hey, are they interested in connecting to me? All artists, actors in particular, when that career can be so cyclical, right? Any career that involves, you having to constantly get a gig, right? You got to get a music gig, you got to get a speaking gig, you got to get a acting gig, you got to get a modeling gig. This is where I really help to move move what you know online into an online program. The beautiful part about that, and again, this was what I did last week in the Facebook Live series, was how to create an online program guaranteed to sell. Now, it's become ever more important now to move your knowledge online, given the scenario. But I've actually been talking about this for 12 years, and here's the reason I started talking about it. Obviously, something like this wasn't on my radar. I was calling it Plan B. And Plan B was for those people who had aging parents or were possible that they would get into a health situation. And it was designed that if you were pulled out of the game, you had to go and help parents, or something happened to a family member and you could not work. It came down to this. If you couldn't work, can you make money? I mean, right now, we're just working in different situations. But if you physically couldn't work at all, can you make money? And the answer most people gave was no. And that's why online programs became so important. And even, I can't believe how more so now. It really is a big opening for me.